Welcome to my channel, and today's video is going to be on the new Morphe No Silent Nights palette. And this is their holiday palette. And to be completely honest, in my humble opinion, I think this is the holiday palette of the year. Like, I've seen all of the luxury brands come out with stuff and they're just not that cute or exciting. So here's the inside of the palette, and one of the things that is kind of cool is they have this little insert. Can you guys see that? Hopefully you can. And it just kind of shows you how to you can do certain looks. Of course, I'm not going to use that because I just like to make my own stuff up. But here is this gorgeous, freaking, stunning, beautiful, amazing palette. When I saw this, I was so excited to pick this up. And I've had it, unfortunately, for about 2 weeks. Sorry, I got a new phone and it goes off and makes all kinds of noises and scares the shit out of me. Anyway, I've had this palette for about 2 weeks, but just with my life and things that are going on, I've not had a chance to sit down and film with it. So, it's finally happening today. So, I've just really been into the smoky eye looks lately, so I think that's what we're gonna do. Alright. I'm gonna start with, and by the way, I think this is gonna be the palette I'm using on my wedding day. It's just so beautiful. I want to start with this shade Enchanted Evening, which is the shade right here. I know, at first I was like, oh, I'll just go in easy, but no, like, we're just going all in today. We're going for it. I just want that beautiful smoky look. Ooh, so pretty. And also, I hope this video looks okay. I made the mistake of thinking I could take my camera and take some photos with it Friday night. And anytime I disconnect my camera from everything and I use it for photos, all the settings go haywire and I have to redo everything, and I'm not 100% sure what settings I normally use to film on, so I'm just hoping this is okay. I mean, I did the thing to make sure everything should be in focus, but I know sometimes, like, when I come in and out, like, I need to see what I'm doing, so I know I go out of focus then. But I'm hoping everything else will be okay. I desperately need a new camera. I just also don't have a spare $2-3 grand just laying around. So one day there will be a new camera. Hopefully it'll help the quality of everything, but until then, just bear with me. I'm doing the best I can. Now I want to go in with, what do I want to go in with? It's like the $1 million question every time I film. I'm kind of wanting to do more of a dark blue look. Like, I usually do like brighter, fun colored blues, but I'm just kind of, so I've got 2 shades down here. One is black, one's more of like a dark gray. I think I'm going to do this one, which is like more of the dark charcoal gray color. And we're just going to deepen everything up with that shade. My hair is kind of getting in the way. I keep trying to dip into that black shade. I'm like really having to watch myself. Now I want to go in with this shade Starry Eyes right here. Oh, and also Morphe, thank you for putting the shade names in the palette. Like, you just made my damn year for doing that. So thank you. It makes my life so much easier. I can't remember if they've done this in like a couple palettes before, but I know most of them they don't, and it sucks because I just throw them away and I never know what the shade names are. Not that it really matters, but sometimes it is nice to just, when you're filming, be able to, you know, name the shade. Such a pretty, pretty blue. Okay, I kind of want to take the shade Silver Bells and just kind of put it in the center of my eye just to kind of highlight a little bit. So let's just see what happens with this. I don't know, there's just, I know I've done this in a couple of videos lately, and there's just something about it that just completely like brings out your eye a little more when you do this. It's just so pretty. Like the contrast with the deep dark blue and that charcoal gray with the silver. It's amazing. Can you see that? Alright. Oh wait, I gotta do my lower lash line. Like, what am I doing? I'm just jumping. I got a lot going on. Like, the wedding is in 6 days. We're still doing some last minute, a lot of stuff. So yeah, my brain is like all over the place right now. There's so much going on. But yeah, hopefully everything works out. And everything, there aren't too many horrible things that happen on the wedding day. So I'm now going to go in with the shade Dusk Whisper, which is right here. And I'm just going to do the lower lash line with that. It's like a really pretty dark bluish shade. I know this is looking like really dark and smoky, but that's kind of what I wanted. But I also think that I am going to put a little bit of that silver in the center of the lower lash line. Because why not? It's so pretty. Alright. Just right in the center, which I don't think it's going to really show up, but we can try. I guess it just gives it a little bit more of a metallic-y look, but I like it, so I'm not going to complain. Alright, now I'm going to do a little bit of an inner corner highlight, which I'm trying to decide what do I want to do. I kind of want to do, what do I want to do? I want to do the shade Cheek to Cheek. It's like a pink, really pretty pink champagne-y shade. And I just feel like that's going to just add a really pretty touch to the look. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna go do my mascara and I'll be right back. Okay, I am back and here is the final look. Like, love it. I love how the blue and the charcoal gray and that silver in the center of the lid just brought it all together. And also I'm loving this red lip with it. This is the Beauty Bay, just their matte lipstick in the shade Juice. Just a beautiful, beautiful orange toned red. And I know they say, like, don't wear a bold lip with a bold eye, but we don't follow the rules here, and I love how it looks. So this is my final look with the Morphe No Silent Nights palette. You guys, this palette, I'm telling you, this is the holiday palette of 2020. Or sorry, stop. This is the holiday palette of 2022. Girl, I don't know what I'm doing. Got a lot going on in my mind. But this palette is amazing. It's stunning. It's beautiful. I love it. I haven't been as excited about makeup, with the exception of the Beauty Bay, the 42 Pan Berries palette, which I did pick up. And I'll be doing a video on that hopefully soon. And the Dark Fantasy palette, it just seems like things are just too neutral, too plain for me, because I love these deep, dark, smoky shades. I love color. I love doing fun looks. So this Morphe No Silent Nights palette definitely did what I've needed, and I love it. I also picked up a couple of the Profusion Halloween palettes. Not sure when I'm going to get a chance to film with those, but it'll be happening sometime, you guys. So thank you so much for watching this video. Do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, because most of my viewers are not subscribers. So if you keep coming back, you must like the content. So subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.